Listen here, students. In previous class, we discussed about the present tense. How many tenses in grammar in English? There are three tenses: present tense, past tense, and future tense. Yesterday class, we are discussed about the present tense, present continuous tense, present past tense, present perfect continuous tense, present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. Today we discuss about the past tense. Simple past tense. What is the past tense? An action completed in the past. The action completed in the past. We call past tense. ಭೂತಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಗಿದು ಹೋಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೆಯನ್ನ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಭೂತಕಾಲ. The example, I met her a week ago. I met her a week ago. I met her a week ago. Met ಅನ್ನೋದೇನೋ past tense, meet ಅನ್ನೋದೇನೋ present tense. I meet her today. Hello, present tense. I met her a week ago. The action is completed. The action is completed. The second one, he went to Delhi last week. He went to Delhi last. He went. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ present tense ಹೇಳಿ. Give the example of present tense. Go. Present tense. Went. Past. He left school last year. He left school last year. Last year. Last year. He left school last year. Last year ಅಂದ್ರೆ past. ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನಾವು ಮುಗಿದು ಹೋಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕ್ರಿಯೆಯನ್ನ ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಇನ್ನು ಈ ಕ್ರಿಯೆ ನಡೆದಿದೆ. The action is going. Present continuous. The action ಇನ್ನು ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ present tense ಅಲ್ಲಿ the action is completed in the past. ಅದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? Past. Are you understanding? You mustn't should listen carefully. V1, V2, V3, V4 ing form is very essential for grammar. Go, when, gone, going, to go. This is the forms, the regular and irregular verbs is very essential for tenses. Okay? Yeah, Sarina. Reading the sentence.
An action completed in the past tense.
Yes, an action completed in the past. ಭೂತಕಾಲದಲ್ಲೇ ಮುಗಿದು ಹೋದ ಕ್ರಿಯೆಗಳನ್ನ ಹೇಳಲು past tense ಅನ್ನು ಬಳಸ್ತೀವಿ. Next ಈಗ next.
I meet a
I met
I met her a weekend.
I met her